You have 10 minutes to complete these problems. When you have 2 minutes remaining, I will warn you that 2 minutes remaining. In addition, I will warn you when there are 30 seconds remaining. When I say pencils down, please put down your pencils and stop. At the end of that time, I will show you how to correct your paper and how to get the right answers. Thank you. You may begin. You have 2 minutes remaining. You have 30 seconds remaining. Pencils down. Okay, let's get correcting. I'm about to give you the 3 correct answers. All I want you to do is follow along with the solutions. You can replay it if you need to, and then just check off whether or not you got each thing right. If you get question number 1 right, it's worth 1 point. Question number 2 worth 2 points. Question number 3 is worth 3 points. At the end of all 3 questions, just add up your total number of points, put it at the top of your paper, and be prepared to send it to me via Edmodo message. Thanks. The first question asks us how it's possible that 5 plus 4 could be equal to 12. The first thing we need to notice is that the digits are 5, 4, 1, and 2. What that tells us is the base is at least base 6. Okay? It can't be base 5 or lower because there wouldn't be a digit 5 there. Okay? The next thing that we know is when we add 5 plus 4, our result is 2 carrying a 1. Where would 5 plus 4, which base 10 gives us 9, actually give us a 2? Base 7. So in base 7, 5 plus 4 would be 1, 7 with 2 left over. So this would have to be in base 7. For question number 2, we want to take 1, 4 base 6 and change it into something base 3. Keep in mind that 1, 4 base 6 means literally 1 times 6 to the first power plus 4 times 6 to the 0 power, or just 6 plus 4, which base 10 equals 10. To turn it into base 3, we're going to have to look at the powers of 3. Reminder, we've got 3 to the 0 power, which equals 1, 3 to the first power, which equals 3, and then 3 to the second power, which equals 9. This is going to be the largest power of 3 that will fit into that 10. So we need 1, 2, 3 lines. So we'll say, let's break this up. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So in the space furthest to the left here, we want to put how many times 3 to the second power, or 9, goes into 10. And that goes in once. So we'll put a 1 here. Take the 10, subtract the 9, we have 1 left over. 3 to the first power does not go into that 1 at all, so we'll put a 0 here. And finally, in the ones digit, the 1 left over. So our final answer then is 1, 4 base 6 is equal to 1, 0, 1 base 3. Not too bad. For question number 3, we're looking at subtracting two numbers base 5 and they're rating the result in base 5. What that means is we don't have to change them to base 10 in order to do the operation. We'll start off by just writing the numbers vertically. Take this guy, push him down here, slide that guy over. Perfect. Now, underneath here, we will say, okay, well, 4 minus 4 is going to give us a 0. 0 minus 0, well, that'll also give us 0. Oops, thing's getting away from me. 0 minus 1 is going to give us a problem. So what we'll have to do is borrow from this column here. This guy will get crossed out. He will become a 0. And this 0 will now have 5 added onto it from the borrow to the right column. So it shall be 5. 5 minus 1 will give me 4. So my final answer should be 400 base 5. Nice. Well, that's all she wrote. Another successful Math League practice under our belts. Don't forget, again, to add up the point totals for your 1, 2, or 3 point responses here and send them to me via Edmodo message, please. So don't post it on the Edmodo site, just send me a direct message. Okay, great. Thanks, guys. And look for my next post letting you know when our next meeting is going to be. Okay, thanks. Bye.